The stadiums are loud, the cameras never stop, and the pressure is constant. Lamine Yamal is known to the world as a football phenomenon, a record breaker, a rising star. But when the noise fades and the lights turn off, there is another side of him. That is where YouTube begins. From a very young age, people started speaking about Lamine Yamal. Coaches analyzed him, fans praised him, and the media judged him. Yet one voice was missing, his own. Starting a YouTube channel was not about attention. He already had that. It was about expression. A place with no scripts, no interviews, and no pressure. Just his voice, his world, and his truth. Millions watch him play every weekend, but very few truly know him. YouTube changes that. Through simple moments, walking through his home, laughing at small things, sharing everyday habits, he becomes more than a footballer. He becomes human. Not a highlight clip, not a statistic, just a young man living an extraordinary life. Fame looks perfect from the outside, but reality is quieter. A normal room, favorite snacks, late nights gaming, and small routines that keep him grounded. These moments matter. They remind us that behind every goal and every headline, there is still a teenager learning life one day at a time. Lamine Yamal understands something important. Football does not last forever. By starting a YouTube channel now, he is building more than content. He is building a legacy, a direct connection with fans, and a story he controls. This is not just about today. It is about the future. Lamine Yamal's YouTube channel is not about showing off. It is an open door, an invitation to see the man behind the talent and the life behind the spotlight. Because sometimes the most powerful stories are not told on the pitch. They're told when the camera is simply turned on.